back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm just gonna start off by saying that I did not record an intro or an outro to this video, and I do apologize. I was actually getting ready to go somewhere, so I completely forgot. But we're starting off with moisturizer, and I use 3 different types of moisturizer because I have eczema, and that's probably too much information. Anyway, yeah, I just need it, you know. Gotta stay moisturized, and you have to protect your skin from all the makeup that you're about to put on and cake on your face. So you know you have to moisturize. So I went and did my eyebrows off camera because it would have taken way too long. But if you guys would like to see a eyebrow tutorial, please comment down below so I can film one for you guys. I prime my face with this pore filler, and honestly it is the best thing ever, like, period. But this green stuff that I use on my face, a lot of people ask me like what that is, and I have a lot of acne scars, a lot of red marks, so the green combats that, and it makes it, you know, not so red, and it gives a good canvas for my foundation, because my foundation doesn't you know, fully cover all the red spots because they're really bright. But I use this Maybelline Dewy and Smooth Fit Me foundation. I usually use the matte one, but I decided to try the dewy one. I'm not sure why. I definitely need to get the matte one because I use so much powder trying to get this foundation to stay in place. So I'm definitely gonna have to go get the matte one again. I've been wanting to try the Fenty foundation, but I'm afraid of trying new things, honestly, guys. Like, I really am. I love this Revlon Photo Ready Candid Concealer. Honestly, it is such a good foundation, and I'm glad I picked that one up. I usually use the Maybelline Fit Me Age Rewind or something like that, but I tried this new one, and I honestly really love it. It gives really good coverage, and it's really brightening. And I apologize for my in and out lighting. Like, my lighting sucks. But yeah, I got this contour palette. My mom gave it to me, so I don't really know where she got it from, but it is really good for like a natural glowy bronze contour. And of course I always set my contour with powder, which is, I use a regular powder that I always use. I feel like I'm rambling right now, so I'm gonna shut up for a little bit. Hey, I'm back. So I'm using the Airspun translucent powder, and honestly Airspun is that bitch, like, ever. You see how hype it makes me? Like, I love Airspun. Like, it really sets the crap out of my face, and I cannot live without it. But I use Maybelline Fit Me powder, like the one that matches the foundation, to set the rest of my face. And I use a lot of powder because I need to be set, you know. And there I am setting my contour with it's called Tarte Park Ave Princess bronzer, and it is just the best bronzer ever. Like, I'm almost done with it, and I'm so sad. But yeah, I also contour my nose because, you know, you have to have the snatched nose. You have to have all of that. I'm just using some cheap mascara before I put on my lashes. And I really tried to record me putting on my lashes for you guys. If you guys would like, oh sorry, what the hell? If you guys would like a full video on how I apply my lashes, please let me know. I literally, this is in real time. That's really me putting on the lash right now, and I was so proud of myself because it was so quick. I think it was like 40 seconds or less, maybe 30-20 seconds, but yes, like it just sat so well on my lash line. So if you guys want a tutorial on how to put on lashes and make it look as natural as possible, please let me know. At the end of the video, and if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see more videos similar to this, please let me know, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed my content. And thank you so much. Bye.